Hello, my name is Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is with all of the new Jeffree Star stuff that I got. If you didn't watch my unboxing of the Valentine's Day mystery box, I will leave that down below so you can watch it. And if you did see it, great, you're already up to date. So I'm getting a phone call. As I was saying, here's a look. And if you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed. Let's do fun stuff. Here is the Alien palette. It is gigantic. I don't really know what I want to do, because I kind of love everything, but I really am drawn to this green alien shade, and I don't know why, because I don't really like green on myself. So let's just see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna start with Abduction, which is like a lime, oops, a lime green. I'm gonna keep hitting the camera. I'm sorry in advance, because this palette is gigantic. And I'm just gonna throw this in and above my crease as a transition color. Next, I'm gonna take Martian Soil. Oh, how can I show this to you? Which is this like mustard color, Dijon mustard color. I'm gonna put this on the outer, like third-ish kind of area, and then through the crease. Ooh, I really like that color. I don't know what to deepen this up with because I don't want to put green on green, but there's not really a darker, like yellowy shade. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take, I don't want it too dark either. I'm gonna go in with X-Files, which is this gray, just to deepen up this outer corner a little bit. Just a little bit. And then if I have to make it darker once I put the green on, I will, but I don't want it too dark to begin with. Okay, so then I'm gonna take that green, the alien shade, and put that all over my lid. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And so pigmented. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Oh, I really like that. Okay, I'm not going to make the outside any darker. For the lower lash line, I want to use this purple here, which is Area 51. I'm just going to bring that all the way across. These are so pigmented, but they're so smooth. Okay, for the brow bone, I'm gonna take Pluto, which is just like a shimmery white. And then for the inner corner, I kind of want to do UFO, which is this like gold. Sure. I have to go to school tonight. I hope I don't have any clients. I don't think I'm crazy. Ooh, that's pretty. It's not as dark as it looks in the pan, which is nice for the purpose that I'm using it for. Oh my god. Really bright on camera. I love this look and this palette. Okay, so I'm gonna put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, put on mascara, and then I will be back to you. So here's the finished eye look. I absolutely love it. I love these eyeshadows. I am excited to play with this again. This is the brightest my makeup has been in a long time. So let's finish off the face. I'm going to contour with my Kevyn Aucoin powder. If I can find my brush, here it is. Like I always do. Ooh, cheekbones, magic. Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Nobody's surprised about that. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Ooh, somebody's running. In cats. In Mood Exposure, just because there's a lot going on and I'm about to put a blue highlighter on, so I just need kind of really a lot of nothing on the cheek right now, so just throw that on. Beautiful. Okay, here is the highlighter. There they go again. This is in Deep Freeze, and I'm kind of scared. I'm scared. Okay, I've swirled my, you see it, it's on my brush, chap. Okay, ready? I'm scared. Ooh, oh God, I think I put too much on. Okay, that's okay, we'll fix it. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, that's really pretty though. Oh my God. Wow, that's a look. Wow, wow. I put too much on, I say, as I continue to put some on. Where's my powder brush? Just kind of buff this into the skin a little bit. Wow, that's really pretty though. Not practical, but really pretty. Wow. That is a look. Okay, I'm happy with that. I am not gonna highlight down my face with that. Let me clean this brush off. I'm gonna close that before I break it. I'm gonna go back into Alien and take Pluto again and use that down the nose. Okay, it's a much more reasonable highlight. And the Cupid though. Okay, for lip. I got 4 lipsticks. I got these, I could wear these. I could do the nude, or I could do a dark. I'm going to consult with my friends from school, and I will be back. There's a truck outside, a plow. So I'm sorry if you can hear the beeping. Oh my God, fix your hair. We're gonna do the nude because I am afraid. I already have a lot of colors on. So where is it? So this is Can't Relate. Girl, same. Okay, this is too light for me. It's too light. I feel like on camera it looks a lot lighter than it does in person, but it's too light for me. I'm gonna leave it because it's not awful. I'm just gonna leave it like that, but I think I'm gonna give this to one of the girls at school because I wouldn't wear this again. It's too light for my preference. Feels really good though. It feels fantastic. So there's that. This is the finished look with all my new Jeffree Star stuff. And I can't stop looking at these eyes. They look fantastic. I love this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, because I did. That's all I got. I don't know. I'll see you again soon. Bye.